There are 33 reserved words in the Python programming language. In this video, we will discuss the keyword ELIF. Hello, Python enthusiasts. Ever found yourself lost in a maze of if statements? Today, we are spotlighting a keyword that brings clarity and efficiency to complex conditionals, ELIF. Let's dive into how ELIF simplifies decision-making in your code. In Python, ELIF is a contraction of else if. It allows you to check multiple expressions for truth value and execute a block of code as soon as one of the conditions evaluates to true. It's the middle ground between if and else, offering a streamlined approach to branching paths. Why ELIF? Imagine a crossroad with more than two paths. ELIF guides your code down these paths with precision. It's about optimizing your conditional logic, making it more readable and efficient by avoiding nested if statements or a series of if-else blocks. Use ELIF in scenarios where you're faced with several distinct conditions that lead to different outcomes. From handling user inputs in a menu system to implementing a grading system based on scores, ELIF helps you manage these conditions neatly. Let's put ELIF into practice. In this example, we use ELIF to check the score and assign a grade accordingly. It elegantly navigates through the conditions, assigning the first true conditions block and skipping the rest, making the code clean and straightforward. And there you have it, the essence of ELIF captured in a nutshell. By integrating ELIF into your Python scripts, you can write more readable and efficient conditional logic. Keep exploring the depths of Python and let your logic flow seamlessly. For more Python insights, don't forget to subscribe.